Hey, I'm Clay. I have something fun for you today. A great friend is putting on a show. So get ready, and here we go.
It's time to guess what Shanna is today.
My name is Shanna. It rhymes with banana. And this, my friends, is Shanna Show. I must confess, you got to guess just what I do. Let's go, let's go. On with the show. And now the Shanna Show. I'm going to tell you 3 things about my job. Then you've got to guess who I am. Boop, boop, dee run. Here's number 1. Here's a hard hat that I wear. It protects my brain and hair. And my work boots, they are laced. Here's a tool belt for my waist. She has a tool belt on her waist. Boop, boop, dee doo. Here's number 2. See me drive down the lane in a bulldozer, a crane. I love my trucks, I drive them all. My favorite has a wrecking ball. Her truck has got a wrecking ball. Boo boo, dee dee. Here's number 3. Bridges, highways, roads, and homes. Skyscrapers and football domes. Drilling, sanding, hammering. I can build most anything. She can build most anything. My name is Shane. It rhymes with rain. And this, my friends, is Shanna Show. The time has come for a review. So use your brain while I explain the things that we have shown to you. 1. She has a tool belt on her waist. 2. Her truck has got a wrecking ball. 3. She can build most anything. I've told you 3 things about my job. So it's up to you. Who am I? Did you say construction worker? This is true!
Shanna, Shane, there's a cement truck outside.
Very well, it's time to go. See you again on the next Shanna Show.
What kind of show can you put on?
To play more games with Shanna and Shane, keep watching Playhouse Disney or go now to PlayhouseDisney.com.